Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to finish doing the front trim and sand them down and just get that going. A little update. I just got these FC calipers, but I made a purchase today that doesn't allow me to use them, and so hopefully in a week or two I'll be able to show you guys the purchase that I made. Let's get to these trim.
Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. 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 Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I don't know what's going on, but my camera has been acting up, and so I just wanted to make a video to just end this video. So as you saw, both trim were taken off, and then I cut down the edges No, I cut off all the old residue of the plastic that was left over, the dried plastic, using a knife. I cut that off, and then I sanded it down with fine sandpaper, cleaned it off with some alcohol, dried it, and then painted it in layers, and dried between every layer. And both of them came out really nice. They came out really evenly, solid, and they have a really good finish. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the top mount yet, because the top molding yet, because I don't actually know how to mount it. The original owner had taken that off and just put sealant into that groove right there. And so when I figure it out, I'll go ahead and do that for you guys. But until then, I'm just gonna leave that off. It looks good. I'm not gonna put that little side molding on, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. If you guys want to see anything done to the Corolla, just let me know. See if I know how to do it. I also want to throw a meet soon for all the SoCal Corolla guys who would like to meet up. Hit me up in the comments. The Club 86 moderators are actually going to meet up soon. And if you guys want to come join and come hang out with us, maybe this next weekend, hit us up in the comments, and maybe we able to get together or something. We're probably gonna meet in Banning or Beaumont, California. If you guys want to come out, just hit me up, and then we'll see if we can get together.